everyone, welcome to the day 3 of my 30 days design challenge where I'm learning how to use Figma. If you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Nikki, I'm a product manager and a startup founder. I'm not a born designer, but I always wanted to learn a little bit more about design and designing a different website and using Figma and everything, so I decided to do it in this 30 days challenge. Today we will be designing landing page, so I think I will do just like a top part of the landing page above the fold. I started the timer. I'm going to speed up this video so you don't get bored, and in the end I'm going to show you the result. And we are done. It took me 30 minutes to create this simple landing page above the fold. I didn't go about creating the full landing page, but just the header itself. This is something completely new. I've never really done any design for a consumer space for B2C, so I think this is definitely an interesting result. So let me know in the comments if you like it. Tomorrow we are going to be designing calculators, so make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel so you get notified when the next video is out. See you in the next one!